Hello, this lecture is for the mechanical engineering major student. I want to let you know about the flow of the mechanics. This topic was brought about by the question on the movement of the body. Not only the human body, I mean the object. The body can be understood by 2 points of view. One is to treat a body as discontinuum, and the other is to treat the body as continuum. Actually, if you look at the body with a magnified view, you can see that the body is constructed by atoms, and the atoms are at some distance to each other, so the body is discontinuum. But in mechanical engineering, the body is assumed as continuum. Using this assumption, we can have a big advantage, because we can use differentiation. The continuum is divided into two. One is the rigid body, and the other is deformable body. Rigid body can only move, but deformable body can both move and also be deformed. There are two studies which deal with the rigid body. One is dynamics, and the other is statics. Dynamics study the moving body when the body has given forces. So dynamics use the equation sigma F equal to ma. But statics study the fixed body, so statics use the equation sigma F equal to 0. Deformable body is divided into two. One is solid, and the other is fluid. We call fluids as liquid plus air, but there is more physical difference between solid and fluid. If there is a fluid, and then we set a wood board over the fluid, and if we push the wood with a force, fluid will deform continually until we forcing the board. But in solid, the situation is different. Though we keep forcing the solid, it will not be deformed continually. Imagine then you push the eraser. The eraser is deformed to begin with, but the deformation will be stopped, though you still keep forcing it. This is the difference between solid and fluid. The study that deals with the solid is mechanics of material, and the study that deals with the fluid is fluid mechanics. And the study that deals with heat is thermodynamics. So now we found the big picture of 4 mechanics. But there are 5 mechanics, so I will reduce it into 4. Statics is just warming up for the mechanics of material, and the undergraduate school level we call statics plus mechanics of material solid mechanics. So now we have 4 mechanics: dynamics, solid mechanics, fluid mechanics, and thermodynamics. I hope you can practice until you can draw this picture by yourself. Next time, we will extend this picture using the studies of graduate school. Thank you for listening.